So with respect to driving, cannabis increases weaving, as does alcohol. Where they're different mostly is that cannabis, and one of the big findings that we get from cannabis that seems to come out in a lot of papers, not all of them, is that it tends to slow people down because they know they're impaired. So they're more cautious on the road. Doesn't mean they're a better driver. It just means that they know that they're impaired. Whereas with alcohol, they speed and they're much more reckless drivers. So I at the beginning of the interview we talked about what the effect legalization had on driving under the influence of cannabis, and I mentioned that in some jurisdictions the rate of driving under the influence of cannabis went down after legalization or with legalization. And that's because people think that they're switching from alcohol to cannabis. So alcohol is much worse because maybe they're not aware that they're